Welcome back to my channel. All right, so today is Monday. It's the start of a brand new weekly vlog. It's the June 17th. Oh, I'm just happy to be home. So we are going through a little bit of a heat wave up here in the, what do you want to call this, East Coast area. And yeah, so it is pretty warm outside. Right now it's about 90 degrees, but it's supposed to get up there to almost 100 this week. So yeah, it's gonna be crazy. But thankfully, we already have food that we had prepared at Dad's house this past weekend. When we cooked on the grill, I did kebabs, and then I also did a couple burgers that we had picked up from the grocery store. So my job actually had kebabs, believe it or not, for lunch. So I grabbed some of the little basmati rice that they had. I guess it's like saffron basmati rice. Kind of reminds me of the same rice that we get in our greens and grains bowl at Kava. So I grabbed that, and of course the kebabs themselves are the ones that I made on Saturday when we grilled out at my dad's house, and that vlog is somewhere around this area. If you haven't seen it, definitely go take a look because it came out perfectly and it looked so good on the grill. I was the griller. Yeah, but so I had that rice, and I have, we just did chicken kebabs. It was just had green peppers. I did the grape tomatoes, Vidalia onions, and then the chicken, the seasoned chicken. I didn't do any mushrooms or anything else this time. I basically just wanted to keep it super simple for Dad's sake, and that way we didn't have to do too much. But yeah, that's what I'm having for today. In addition, I made me an iced coffee. So I just kind of added some ice and a little bit of my sugar-free French vanilla creamer. And then I have my water cup for the week. So absolutely love the color. But yeah, that's going to be my cup for the week. And that is pretty much it. Right now it is 4 o'clock on the dot. Yeah, and we're just gonna try to keep the lights off and just stay cool in the house as much as possible. There's still some light coming through the windows and everything there. So yeah, we're just gonna kind of try to keep it cool as much as we can and just kind of take it easy. But other than that, I hope you guys had a great weekend, and thank you guys so much for joining us on the brand new weekly vlog. I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. See ya. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, so today is the 18th. Oh my goodness, June is flying by. Oh my goodness. So it is Tuesday, June the 18th, and I am finally back at home. Right now it is 3:45 in the afternoon. And as you guys can see, I am pretty much just eating up the leftovers that we have here. I got 2 burger patties that I had made on Saturday at my dad's house, and I just went ahead and, we had some leftovers, so I just popped on a slice of Swiss cheese onto both, a little bit of ketchup, and then a slice of tomato that I sliced up earlier. I just wanted something a little fresh there. I should grab some pickles now that I think about it, because that would be a really good thing to kind of cut the fattiness of the burger and the cheese. And then on the side, I just popped some Doritos on there. I need something quick and easy. Tuesdays are our days where we're just trying to hurry up and grab something to eat and pretty much just take care of whatever we need to take care of around the house before, the middle of the week. But other than that, today was great. It was super hot. It got up in the 90s. Right now it is 91, but it really feels like almost 97. It's hot. But guess what? I still went for my walk at lunch. I cannot help it. I love it. The feel of the sun on my skin. After being in the fluorescence all day long with no windows, nothing to look outside of, not even a door, because we're on the top floor. Literally, it feels so good to walk out that door to see some natural light. Oh, and it feels so good, like the sun on my skin, and then I'm just able to just walk around the parking lot. I'm not, worried about anybody either running me. I'm not on a main highway or thoroughway. Like it's awesome. Like I love that feeling. So even though it was hot and the humidity is up there for sure, I braved it. I was like, I don't care. this is happening. I'm gonna be out there. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna, you know, get a little exercise in. And a couple of us at the job have been doing, we downloaded like this little step counter. And so we're kind of all in a race as friends to see who can do the most steps in a day. So it's been pretty fun as well. And that also helps to kind of keep us motivated to keep moving and, you know, getting up, even though we sit down a lot at work, to kind of get up and move around and walk. So yeah, that's about it. But that's my meal for today. Like I said, just trying to eat up these leftovers. For my bubbles today, I am doing, thank you, Netflix. Coca-Cola Zero Sugar, my water cup, which I am gonna refill, and then I have, as per usual, my iced coffee in my little Starbucks cup, my little tumbler right here. So yes, I think that is pretty much about it. I don't have anything else to really relate to you guys. As soon as these leftovers are done, I'm thinking of making maybe some fish tacos tomorrow, which makes me have to stop at the store and, you know, grab some additional items. But I do have a few pieces of tilapia, so I'm thinking of just making, you know, something quick, just a little like a pan fried or pan seared, you know, fish tacos. So we'll see how that goes. But of course, you guys are going to be right here watching me make it. So I will see you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so today is Wednesday. It is the 19th of June. Oh my goodness, we are literally almost done with June. I think we have like one more week and that's it. Oh my goodness. Well, we're right into July. Next thing you know, it's gonna be cold. So I'm just trying to soak in all the sun. I had a great day today. We only had 4 cases on our schedule today, so it was a pretty light day for the most part. But I definitely made sure I got out there at lunch and just did my cardio. I love walking outside. Oh my goodness, it just gives me some type of renewed energy, and I love it. So I take the stairs down, I walk around for about 28, almost 30 minutes, then I just take the stairs right back up. I'm always out of breath when I finish those 4 flights, but it doesn't matter. I need that. But as you guys can see, I did fish tacos today. Let me show you guys what I seasoned it with, because you just saw the seasoned fish. You didn't see everything else. So simple, simple, simple. Onion powder, garlic powder, lemon pepper seasoning, and Old Bay. That is it. Super duper simple. Things that are probably already staples in your spice rack or spice cabinet or whatever the case may be. And then for the actual tortillas, I did use the La Banderita carb counter flour tortillas. Tortillas. And these ones are keto friendly. One tortilla, I believe, is just 3 net carbs, which isn't too bad. And all I'm having is just 1 fish taco. Like I said, as it starts to heat up, I really don't have a humongous appetite. But I will tell you this, I'm having dessert, and dessert is fresh cut watermelon. Oh, I cannot wait. It's gonna be nice and cold and chilly. It's probably gonna make my teeth hurt a little bit, but you know what? It's gonna be so good. So I basically just made my taco with one of those tortillas. It's gonna be a piece of that seasoned tilapia that I pan seared, or pan, however you wanna call it, pan fried. I added in a couple slices of tomatoes. Remember, I had tomatoes yesterday on my burger. So they came in handy. Some queso fresco, basically fresh cheese. I did a little bit of, what do you say it's called? Pickled jalapenos. And then I had a couple sauces here in the house from whenever we go to get Peruvian chicken. One of them was like a green sauce or a verde sauce, which has a really good spice to it. The other one is like a spicy vinaigrette that they usually put on a salad. And so I basically just kind of did a little couple dabs of the little sauces there. And yeah, this is going to be really, really good. In addition to the coleslaw that I also put on there, it doesn't have any dressing or anything on it. It just has like the shreds of the cabbage and the carrots and stuff like that. So that's going to give it a good crunch and also, you know, some additional fiber for sure. On the side here, I did make one of those little Knorr pasta rices, like just a quick stovetop type of rice. This one is the Spanish rice, so it came in perfectly to go well with the tacos. So I just made that on the stovetop. It takes about 7 minutes after the water is boiling, so it's very quick and it doesn't require a whole bunch on my part, which is perfect. Because during the week, absolutely not. Right now it is 5:23 in the afternoon. I'm getting a late start, but that's okay. And yeah, I am ready to chow down. So I have my iced coffee here. I have been sipping on the iced coffee. And of course my water cup, which I've been refilling a couple times today. I've been doing really good with the water, especially when I'm walking. I want to make sure that I am staying hydrated as much as possible. So I think that's pretty much about it. I got two more days, and then I have a good weekend. I have a couple plans with my friends to go out on Saturday and to hang out with them and just enjoy my time with them. Nothing planned for Sunday, which is perfect. Just kind of giving us a little bit of a day to relax and kind of get stuff ready for the week. So I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, it's happy Friday. Yay! I'm so sorry I have to do a voiceover for this portion, but I had my nephew with me today, and so my husband just grabbed us some barbecue from one of our favorite spots, the Smoke Shack. So I got a half rack of ribs. I only ate 3. I was so full. A little bit of burnt mac and cheese, some green beans, a little spicy barbecue sauce, and then for dessert there was peach cobbler. Delish. Hey guys, happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Sunday. It is the 23rd of June. I just got back in from the grocery store and I picked up a few things that we're going to need for this week's meals. But I wanted to go ahead and show you the food that my husband meal prepped already for this week. I took out a pack of ground turkey, and it was a pack of, basically chicken, like kebabs. So chicken that I had already cut up and marinated. So I pulled that out of the freezer just so that it would already be ready. And he went ahead and just kind of pan-seared that one and kind of did that up for us. As per usual, he makes his own, thing of chicken. And then of course it was a pot of rice, because that's what he likes to have, throughout the week is his chicken and rice. So let me go ahead and show you guys. Alrighty, so here is the chicken that I had already marinated. He went ahead and popped that into the regular pan and got that all taken care of. This is the ground turkey that he seasoned with, the taco seasoning. So that I took a little piece of that, actually turned out really good as well. As per usual, his big thing of pan-seared chicken that he usually takes with him every day to work, and then always a pot of rice for him as well. So that is what we have already prepared for the week. Now with the chicken, I'm not necessarily doing kebabs. It is the kebab, like the little seasonings and everything that I put on there, which is super simple, like little, household seasonings. But I did grab from the store tzatziki sauce, hummus, and some naan bread so that we could kind of make our own little, you know, like our own like little, if it was like kebab sandwich type of thing, but it's just going to be the chicken this time, no veggies on this with this. But I did pick up salad, so we'll actually be kind of doing like a chicken salad gyro or chicken salad kind of pita type thing. So that is what I have there. For my meal today, I am going to finish up the food that I had from Friday. Yesterday, my good friend, my sister took us out for our anniversary, which was a while ago, but she took us out for our anniversary to the Korean barbecue, which I showed you guys that we were making. Oh, it was so good, but oh my goodness, I was so full. So I did not get a chance to finish up these ribs. These are just regular pork ribs that I had picked up on Friday. I had my nephew on Friday, so literally I just tried to show you guys what I could really quickly. I still have some green beans left over, a little bit of mac and cheese, and then this is a little sauce to go with the ribs. For my bubbles today, I'm just going to be doing a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. And then over here, I have my Starbucks tumbler with my iced coffee in there that I just made. So that is what I have for today. That's my meal. And then this is what we have for the week. So I am going to be seeing you all tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel for a brand new weekly vlog. I'll give you guys a rundown of what my week is going to look like, and then also show you guys how I maneuver all of this into something delicious. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.